I just kind of wanted to share with you this gadget that was given to me one Christmas by my mother-in-law. And I really thought, maybe she doesn't like me, but the truth is she likes to cook and she must have liked this gadget. So I now own one and I actually love this. It slices the vegetables really thin. I wanted to show you how this works. You could probably get this on Amazon. I believe they were inexpensive at the time they were really popular. And some of you may have this gadget. It comes with other things like a dicer, like you do potatoes that way. I haven't used this. I use the slicer a lot. It is very sharp. I cut myself first thing when I got it. I thought, yeah, she really don't like me. But it does have a guard on it. So if you purchase one of these, be extra careful when you're slicing and using this. The way it works, you just put it on here, you slice, and then when it gets really small, it came with a piece here that you can lay on top of it and slide it. But I want to show you what this cucumber looks like. I can get the top off here. Look at that, guys. Paper thin. Paper thin. And you don't use as much. So the way I look at it, if I don't use as much, then we're not going to eat as much. And that's probably enough for my husband and I for a salad. Just wanted to share that with you, this gadget. It's great. It's called the 1 minute slicer. I'm not getting paid to tell you this. I just really like this. And I hope you guys have a good day and come back and follow me. So like and subscribe. And God bless and have a good day.